The door object can be customized with respect to all of its features. In the characteristics section, you can specify two models, one for the internal casement and another one for the outside casement. From the catalogue, we're going to choose the type and model. Let's say a 2-panel sliding door. As a second casement, again, from the catalogue, select another type. In the materials section, we can also assign a material to our door. For example, the colour of the framing. So, from the catalogue, in the Colours and Materials section, simply choose the material type to apply.